Up guys, today we're going to be picking up a harvester from the farm, I'm pretty sure, and yeah, we're taking the 8, I forgot, but we're taking the 4-axle semi with us, because reasons, and yeah, we're gonna hook up to the truck, and we're gonna turn it off on, and we're gonna pick it up. Okay. Now let's make this wide turn here. Now let's see here. Oh yeah, we're also picking we're just picking up the combine. They said that there's a horn in the thing, so yeah. Okay, we're drifting. We are drifting a semi. Somehow we are drifting a semi. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh god, we're tipping. Oh, okay. I really should put some stabilizers on this thing. Oh. So yeah, we're heading down the road real quick. 1 second. Okay, we're back, and now we're heading over there and to grab the combine to make sure we're making the correct turn, and I'll get back to y'all when we get to the. Okay, we're getting ready to turn at the road now. Okay, we just drifted the semi right on in that because I can. Now let's speed down this road, and then we gotta take the combine back to the farm. We'll be quiet for a little bit. Okay, this is a farm right here. I'm pretty sure they said they have trees in the front. And this one has trees in the front, so this is definitely the place. So, come on, someone, turn. Why can't I can already see the combine. Okay, I gotta put on the stabilizers so this thing doesn't like a trailer going over it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to cut. I'm gonna need to cut into a ditch. That's no problem. We're all okay with me cutting through the ditch, right? No. Come on. Please don't tell me I'm stuck. I can lift up that wheel, and then maybe that would work a little bit, somewhat. Okay, I'll be back with y'all right when I get this thing. Okay, I'm back because I got the semi out. No. Do not go through ditches and semis that have more than at least 3 axles. 3 or 2 axles can't go through a ditch. I mean 3, 4 and 5 axles cannot get through ditches as well. They have problems. Now, okay, gotta get this tire thing in here. There it is, right in there in that old barn. We'll do some remodeling. Because we're gonna own this plot soon. They said we just have to deliver that, so. Yep. Oh no, we're wrong. Okay. Back it up. Okay, now, back that up. Okay, we're backing up and right here. Okay. Now let me just real quickly. Over here. This looks like a face. Let's hop right on in. Oh yeah guys, subscribe and like to the video. Also subscribe to Bacon Sigma because he's my friend and me and him made like a little RP together. It wasn't in this game, there's in Brookhaven. It's a zombie thing. I think y'all will like it. Then towards the end of his video, I think it's him doing some stuff. Yeah. But let me get this stabilizers on it. Grab them, put them on. Okay. There are the stabilizers, and then just hop in. Oh, this thing's rusty too, I just realized. Okay, it took all day, but we finally got here to do all of that. I'm so finally happy that we got that done. Oh my god, we finally got that done. Good night. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and as always, stay snazzy. Bye.